Hi guys, today we're going to be making a lean-to, and I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a survival fire. Okay guys, so the first thing we're going to need is a really long stick. You can find one that's already like dead, or you can go cut one. Alright, and then the second thing we're going to need is a bunch of sticks and a lot of leaves. So let's go look for that. Alright, so as you guys can see, we got our big stick. We've got our leaves, our other sticks, leaves, and then another pile of sticks. And then whenever you have your big tree or your big stick, you're gonna get it, and you're gonna want to find a wedge tree so it just kind of fits in there. And you put it in there like this, and you're gonna want to push down. You push down on it like this, and then we're gonna start to line up the sticks along the side, and you're gonna want to put them at an angle, not straight up. And after you get most of one side covered up, you can start doing the other side. Alright, now that we've put the sticks up on here like this, we can start getting our leaves and just putting it just on top of them, on top of the sticks. So after you put leaves on top of everything, you're pretty much set. So now let's move on to making the fire. Alright guys, the last step that you guys should do is you could find like twigs like this, like pine twigs, and lay them on top like that. And then you guys can do this so you get that to the bottom. It's up to you. But this, like, the branches, they hold on to the leaves, and it stops it from making the leaves moving like at night in case it's windy or anything. And then after you put it on there, you can just put leaves on there again. And if you really wanted to, you could lay more of this stuff on there. And then we're gonna go do the same to the other side. And then we're gonna get our leaves. And just put them right on top of this. And if you look at it, it's pretty sturdy. It's not gonna fall down. I could probably lay on it. And it's not gonna fall down.